So what happens if a house doesn't appraise?
It's a great question. So ultimately, the value of the home from the lender's perspective is the lesser of the purchase price or the appraised value. So whichever one is the lower number, that's what the loan works off of. The example I always give is a VA loan, because VA loans are 100% financed. It's no money down. So it's an easy visual to give to people. So let's pretend a veteran is buying a home for $100,000. And if the purchase price is $100,000, but the house appraises at 90. If it appraises at 90, I will give them 90. I won't give them 100. To me, the value is the lower of the two. So that's just a standard guideline for all types of loans. When houses come in for lower value, the lender will only loan off of the lower number. In those cases, the seller has to come down, the buyer has to cover the difference, or they both have to meet in the middle somewhere. So those are, I guess the fourth choice is all bets are off and the deal's done and move on. But those are the four choices. When an appraisal comes in lower, the seller can come down, the buyer can cover the shortage, they can meet, come up with some agreement between the two of them, or the deal's off.